Here are 5 easy Halloween recipes you can make at the last minute. Today we're making these Halloween donuts. We're gonna bake donuts using a cake mix and this pan. Add the cake mix to a large bowl. 1/3 cup of oil, 3/4 cup of milk, and 1 large egg. A little bit of vanilla extract and mix. I filled a large piping bag with my cake batter. Now I'm just going to line my pan for the donuts. Only about halfway full because it will expand. Now bake 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. When they come out of the oven, just set them out and let them cool completely. For the icing, 1 cup of powdered sugar, about 2 tablespoons of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix. Now dip your donuts into the icing. Take it out, let it drain for a moment, and put it on a wire rack. Now's a good time to decorate it. I'm gonna use some different colored sprinkles. So this one, I'm gonna put some purple sprinkles on and a bunch of little edible eyeballs all throughout it. And you wanna do this while it's still wet. Now for the taste test. Delicious. We're making Halloween characters using Oreos. Today we're making a strawberry blood milkshake. Start by decorating our glass and smear it around the rim. Now I have black sprinkles and just want to decorate the rim with the black sprinkles. I have this red glitter gel. I'm going to put it on the inside to simulate blood. Fill a blender with half a cup of milk. 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Just a dash of strawberry extract. And a little bit of red food coloring. Put the lid on and blend. Now just pour it into our prepared glass. Fill with whipped cream. Top with more sprinkles. Red this time. A little decoration. And a straw. Now for a taste test. Delicious. These Halloween chocolate covered strawberries. Start by melting white and orange candy melts. When your candy melts are all melted, take some strawberries, dry them off, and dip them into the chocolate. Cover it really good. Drain off the excess. Place on some wax paper. Now just let them firm up. Now that they've firmed up, we're going to draw little faces on them. For our ghost, we're just going to put 2 little eyeballs. And for our pumpkin, it's going to be a little harder, but I'm going to try to draw a little triangle eyeballs. And then a zigzag mouth. Now for the best part, the taste test. Chocolate covered strawberries are delicious. We're gonna make a Beetlejuice milkshake. First, make a chocolate ganache. 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Heat in the microwave about 60 seconds. When it's really hot, we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of premium milk chocolate. Now just mix and mix. When your chocolate ganache is done, we're gonna put it into a piping bag. Pipe out some vertical stripes here. For the milkshake, we're gonna add 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. 1/4 cup of whole milk. Root beer flavoring. I know it's weird, but whatever. Put our lid on and blend. Now add our milkshake to our glass. Top with some whipped cream. Some green sprinkles. We gotta use some sour gummy straws and some gummy eyes. Don't forget our straw. Now for the taste test. Delicious. If you enjoyed these videos, be sure to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.